Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to act now. Check signal strength, Wi-Fi, and do not disturb, then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Once done, make sure the messaging app has SMS, contacts, and notifications permissions so the system can deliver while locked. Restart the phone to clear transient glitches and open the Messages app immediately to force background sync. I'll explain why. Restarting clears stalled services, permissions let messages surface, and opening the app triggers retrieval, so do these 3 steps together now. Now check account and network details. Confirm your carrier plan is active and there are no reported outages. Test by inserting your SIM into another phone if possible. If MMS or group texts are the issue, reset network settings. Backup first because saved Wi-Fi and VPN details will be removed. Once done, clear the messaging app cache, then update the app and the phone OS to the latest stable release. These steps resolve protocol errors and compatibility mismatches that block message delivery. Finish with surgical moves. Remove and re-add problem contact threads after exporting any important messages so you can test a clean conversation. If problems persist across devices, consider a factory reset only as a last resort. Back up everything to cloud or local storage beforehand. Make sure to gather timestamps and error examples. If you still don't receive texts, contact your carrier and the app vendor with those logs. They can check routing, spam filtering, or account flags that you can't fix on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.